Hello and thank you for joining us today. Affirmative action is a controversial subject both in a legal sense and a cultural sense. For the purposes of this video, we're going to stick to covering affirmative action in the legal sense. Affirmative action is a set of job hiring policies designed to make up for past discrimination by giving members of protected classes special consideration in the job hiring process. Although the intentions of affirmative action are noble, the policies are potentially in violation of the 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution due to their inherently discriminatory practices. The skit you are about to see is going to demonstrate that.
Everyone may be seated. Now, let the record show that we are all here on the account of the Students for Fair Admissions. I do not have all the facts for this case, so I would ask the plaintiff to be more specific on the matter when giving your opening statement. Mr. Johnson, you have the floor.
Thank you, Your Honor. I am here on behalf of the Students for Fair Admissions. To give a short explanation of who we are, we represent the minorities of Harvard University, and we are against any sort of systematic racism or discrimination that we face in our college. We fight every day to make sure everyone on campus is given an equal opportunity to pursue their education and dream. It has come to our attention that Harvard University has made conscious attempts to discriminate against Asian American applicants. The many Asian Americans in our organization strongly feel that they have been held to a completely unfair standard from the staff of the university. We have many of these same students that have applied for this college that have not been accepted even though they have better grades than most applicants. It is no shock that some institutions have a complete bias toward one race when it comes to college applicants. However, to completely disregard my client's hard work just solely based off of their race is unacceptable. We are seeking an affirmative action from Harvard University that meets our list of demands for the Asian American community given in our transcript.
We will now be going over our defendant's opening statement. Mr. Smith, you have the floor to yourself.
Thank you, Your Honor. I am here on behalf of Harvard University's Admissions Center to give a brief explanation on what we look for in our applicants. We look for people that stand out in our community, not only through academics, but through other works they have done to show their character. The biggest thing that we strive for with our students is character. Every year, we are flooded with people that have the grade qualifications, but not the extracurricular activities. With such limited spacing in our classrooms and campus, we have to make some difficult choices on who we pick to attend our college. We do not solely choose our applicants based off their race, religion, or ethnicity. Our application is a process that goes off a strict standard of their character. People who do more than the set milestone is something we will always choose over someone that just meets our requirements. Harvard's class of 2017 is 25.4% Asian American students, which is a 2.7 increase from last year. We have no ill will bias towards any race whatsoever.
For this court decision I have, race may act as a tip or plus factor when making admissions decisions. It is only ever one factor among many used to evaluate an applicant. In a whole, the plaintiff has not provided the burden of proof for any affirmative action to be taken by this trial. To solve this issue, I implore the Students of Fair Admissions organization to meet with the Harvard Admissions Center to discuss awareness of this matter. However, once again, based off the burden of proof, no affirmative action will be made. Case dismissed.